Lately, I've been observing Jupiter quite often with the observatory's beautiful old C14. Unfortunately, the seeing has been consistently poor across the board. I've already talked about the challenging observation conditions here by the North Sea in a previous video. But well, you have to make the best of it. After capturing several images, I wanted to create an animation again. There are many ways to do this, but my favorite method is using PIPP. PIPP is freeware and a great tool for this because it automatically detects the planet and centers it. This is crucial for an animation so that everything stays in the same spot and the rotation looks smooth. Still, it's a lot of work to get there. First, I stack the individual 60-second videos using AutoStacked. It's important that all frames have the same settings so they don't end up with different brightness levels or formats. Next is post-processing in Registacks. This is where I sharpen the images, usually aiming for a middle ground. If I sharpen the best frame to the maximum, it won't look good on the poorer frames in the series, so it's best not to overdo it. Once that is done, I save the images in a clearly organized folder. Then I remove the background in Photoshop. You could also do color calibration here, but you have to be extremely careful that it's identical for every single frame. Otherwise, the result looks off. In this case, I skipped it. Once all the images have a clean black background, I load them into PIPP. I usually have two good options, depending on the goal. Exporting as an AVI or as a GIF. A GIF loops the movement infinitely, while in an AVI file I can set exactly how many rotations I want. The FPS setting is key. 12 to 13 is a good value. 30 FPS would be great, but you need a massive amount of frames for that. It already took me quite a while to process the 17 frames for this animation. Now it's finished. Jupiter is happily rotating in a 17-minute time-lapse. Of course, there are other ways to create these animations. Some people generate tween frames to make the motion look smoother, but I feel that makes it look less authentic. Have you ever created a Jupiter rotation animation? Let me know in the comments. Clear skies.